What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. Hope you had a spectacular weekend. I know the members in my Discord did, as we absolutely crushed it on Gala games over the weekend. We exploded to our target. We're seeing at 0.02044, up 11% on the day. Same market cap 517 million, 24 volume 300 million. So as we can see here, let me pop over to the hourly quickly. In the Discord over the weekend, I talked about we had a small inverse head and shoulders, and I was posting when we were starting to break the neckline. And I gave the exact target to look out for the wave 5. We took a trend-based extension from the bottom of the micro 2 right here, up to the top of the micro 3, down to the micro 4, and I told my members watch the 7.786 for a potential target for the 5. Look at that, right on the money, and the members absolutely crushed it. Up 184%. This is all over the weekend. 213%, 255%, over 1,000%. Right here, up 500%, up 691%, absolutely insane. Following the analysis, following the trade signals, guys, it's $10 a month. You really can't beat it. You spend $10 every single day, and the members are absolutely crushing it. Our trade is up. I just locked in partial gains from the entry. If we go to the very peak, you're looking at basically 60%, and we already locked in partial gains on that trade. So let's hop into the analysis. Now, we do have strong bearish Ds on the 4-hour, the money flow, the RSI. Gala can continue to explode. I cannot promise you that we're going to start to break down from here. But if we do start to pull back, then our next trade opportunity will be given in the wave 2 pullback zone, which is in between the 50% and the 78.6 at about maybe I can adjust this a little bit here, at about 0.0171 and about 0.01473. So if we were to pull back from here, another signal will be given in the Discord for $10 a month to ride up that juicy wave 3. But as of right now, we have a beautiful 5-wave move, beautifully following our analysis, and we have bearish divergences. It really depends on BTC. So if BTC continues up, of course, Gala can continue to push up as it's been moving extremely strongly. And we're about to print, we might have already printed it, the bullish cross. Yeah, the 20 over the 55 looks like it's already printing, which is a massive signal of strength. We are overbought on the daily, on the RSI, on the money flow, so do keep that in mind. We have almost pushed up into massive resistance, so we may push up a little bit higher to test that resistance before potential rejection. If we explode to the upside, then our next level to watch is our take profit 2 at 0.028. But we'd love to see it. The members are absolutely crushing it, following the analysis, following the trade signals. And what we're looking for potentially is some pullback, but if we do continue to explode to the upside, then watch 0.02276 and 0.02807. As I mentioned, my signals are only $10 a month. Make sure to sign up to Bitfinex. No KYC, no VPN for my US Canadian traders who are dying for an exchange to trade on. My subscribers only get a 20% bonus into their futures account. So if you deposit $1,000, that's $200 completely free to trade with. My signals are $10 a month, guys. You really can't beat it. Excuse me, sorry. My saliva went down the wrong tube. I was posting about Gala all weekend, as you can see here. We were posting about Gala, the inverse head and shoulders, and I was posting the 78.6 target, and then we just exploded. The members took the trade, and they absolutely crushed it. So not only do you get daily analysis for many coins, you get my exact trade setups, crypto news, members posting their profits. You can see they're absolutely crushing it. My huddle all plays Forex signals and Forex analysis. We're looking to get into silver and gold. We're currently crushing it on US oil, all for $10 a month, which is the same price as a lunch. You really can't beat it. All links down below. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.